Welcome back to Resources with Marie, and I am your host, Marie. To all my new subscribers, thank you so much for sharing. Thank you so much for becoming a part of the community. And thank you for being here and watching. To all my oldies but goodies, you guys are awesome and amazing. As I always say, you're always sharing all the videos, sharing the channel so that others can find out about these awesome work from home opportunities. Always there giving a thumbs up and showing all of your wonderful and positive support in the comment section. Thank you so much. Let me point something out. Y'all, some have been going into the comment section telling me either the website shut down or they don't have any more remote opportunities. They completely shut them down. Right now we're like about 520, but we're like 520 like bold. You guys are out there. Remember, everyone is sharing. So if you see a video that has 4K, 5K views, that means you at the end of the line. So what do you got to do? You got to subscribe, hit the notification bell, because early bird gets the worm. Period. Early bird gets the worm. So if you want to be first dibs in all these opportunities, you got to subscribe and have that notification bell on. We posting every day. We've been posting every day for 45 days straight. So, you bound to find an opportunity, but you have to be there. Subscribe. You got to be hitting that notification bell. Make sure that as soon as that video go up, you are there and not thinking twice about filling out a job opportunity. Today's work from home opportunity is from Twitter. Yep. That company, everybody goes out and do their little commenting and tagging or sharing back and forth. I don't know too much about Twitter. I don't engage in Twitter, but I know a lot of people do. So here we go. www.twitter.com. www.twitter.com. Yes, they do have some jobs, guys, and they are remote. So once you see this page, hit careers at the bottom. I don't know if you guys saw the little band at the bottom. Hit careers. Here, you're going to type remote. Once you hit remote, search 34. You have 34 remote job opportunities. 34. Okay. 34. You got to sift through and see what you could find. So I actually found one that I would consider. I would consider like an entry-level job at a good pay. And I'm going to show y'all. Here we go. CRM Sales System Manager. Global Strategy and Operations. I'm going to show you. So they do have about 3 positions. They got in New York. They got in San Francisco. There's remote, Los Angeles, Seattle. Okay. Let's see if it's like remote and it's just established in one of those places, or when we read, we'll find out. I kind of sifted through. Company description. Twitter is what's happening and what people are talking about right now. For us, life's not about a job. It's about a purpose. We believe real change starts with conversation. Here, your voice matters. Come as you are, and together we'll do what's right to serve public conversation. The position. In this role, you will support strategy and operations and drive the vision for Twitter support tools implementation. As a service cloud expert, you will be responsible for identifying issues, defining business requirements, providing recommendations, and performing configurations for system enhancements. You will also manage day-to-day operations of the platform, including administrative, sales supports, and configuring integrated tools like Adobe Experience Manager. This position will act as a liaison between the technical and non-technical departments. Responsibilities. Drive the vision, strategy, and scope of Twitter Salesforce Service Cloud tool. Work with business stakeholders and analyze business requirements. Partner with technical team to prioritize, design, and deploy solutions. Configure Salesforce and integrate tools like Adobe Experience Manager. Frame and present project plans, define track KPI, and communicate updates for ads. Own platform maintenance, troubleshoot issues, and create user training. Identify and recommend areas within the Service Cloud ecosystem. Share best practices to enhance the quality and efficiency of Salesforce. It sounds pretty easy. Qualifications. 4 to 5 years working in advertising. In-depth understanding of capabilities and constraints of Salesforce. Salesforce Administrator 201 certification. Maybe they can help you out with that one. Hands-on experience with Adobe Experience Manager. Bonus, certified Salesforce Service Cloud consultant. BSBA preferred in business administration, finance, engineer, or computer. Never mind, we just scratched this off. I didn't read. Normally the BA is up here. I don't know why they put bachelor's degree all the way at the bottom. Normally bachelor's degrees are the first thing that they put, right? Never mind. I sifted through this and I did not read this. It ain't no entry-level job. You need a BA. Additional information. We are committed to an inclusive and diverse Twitter. Twitter is an equal opportunity employer. We do not discriminate based on race, color, ethnicity, ancestry, national origin, religion, sex, gender identity, gender expression, sexual orientation, age, disability, veteran status, genetic information, marital status, or legal protective status. San Francisco applicants, fair chance. Okay, so I'm thinking that they have 5 positions for this because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can either go remote or possibly if you live in any of these cities, you can also contact them and see. Some people don't mind going to a physical location, so this applicable salary range for each US-based role is based on where the employee works and is aligned to one of 4 tiers according to the cost of labor index in the geographic area. Starting pay for successful applicants will depend on a variety of job-related factors, which may include education, training, experience, location, business needs, or market demands. So, tier number 1 from $110,000 to $144,000. Tier B, $105,000 to $137,000. Tier C, $99,000 to $129,000. Tier D, $94,000 to $121,000. You can view which tier applies to where you plan to work here. Oh, so that's nice because if you hit here, it'll tell you exactly what pay you're getting. This job is also eligible for participation in Twitter's performance bonus plan and equity incentives. That's good too. You could get, are you getting this paid and you also get incentives? Yes, sir. What else we get? Including medical, dental, vision insurance, 401k program with employer match, generous time off for vacation, sick time, and parental leave. Twitter benefits prioritize employees' wellness and progressive support.